Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to check profile views on TikTok. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video, and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well, because it's really simple and easy. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your TikTok app, and be sure to be logged into your account as well. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're inside your profile page, now what you need to do in order to check your profile views is here you will be seeing a footstep icon on the top right corner beside the 3 horizontal bars. That is a recommended button to check your profile views on TikTok. So simply tap on that, and now here once you're tapping that, you can see who has viewed your profile, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.